So you can see this is my dashboard on the income tax portal. I have already done login, and now we will be viewing AIS and TIS. You can see AIS here, e-file income tax returns, and the fifth option is AIS. And also in the menu bar you can see AIS, which is annual information statement. It is like AIS TIS, it's an extension to Form 26AS. Form 26AS came in 2009-10. It has been started, and this 20 AIS TIS, it has just been launched just 2 years back. It is for the viewers, for the taxpayers to have ease in income tax return filing. So what will AIS TIS portray me? It will portray me salary, dividend, interest from saving account, interest from FD, in IT refund, IT demand. I'll click on AIS, and you can see it asks me that they will be moving me on to the compliance portal, and if you ask it, it will proceed to the compliance portal. It tells you all the shares, mutual fund purchase sale transactions, if you have taken any new FD, all the credit card payments of the year, any foreign travel expenses if you have done, any TCS on that, any new car purchased, property purchased. So it is very necessary to check it. Now I'll click on this AIS, and here you can see we have TIS and we have AIS. Now one thing you can do is you can click here and you can download it. So this is one option. You can keep it with you by download it in PDF, and I have downloaded it. So if you have the downloaded, you have to, in order to open it, you need what? You need a password to open it. What is that password? That password is your PAN number. You have to write your entire PAN number in small letters. See how they have written in small letters, right? And second thing is you have to write your entire date of birth, DD, MM, YY format. So let's say my date of birth is 1st January 1995. So I'll be writing my PAN number ABCDE 1234A. This is my PAN number in small alphabets, caps lock off, and then I'll be writing 0101 1995, and I'll be able to open the PDF file. Not really necessary. You can just click here and then you get all your transactions here. Now this is for financial year 23-24. I'll make it to financial year 22-23. So when I come on to financial year 22-23, you can see these are all the transactions which I have. Dividend, interest from savings bank, deposit. These are all the sale and securities of units, mutual fund, purchase of securities and units of mutual funds. So if you see dividend, it tells me all the, from wherever I have received dividend, and interest from saving account. If I click here, it tells me from which bank account I have received interest. FD account, interest on sale of securities, purchase of securities and unit of mutual funds. So you know what happens is, let's say this CDSL, when we transact now, all our data is done, all our transactions of shares is done via CDSL or NSDL. So what they have to do, they have to file SFT, specified financial transactions, where they give all report to income tax department that which PANs have transacted through them. So this was about this. Now this was about TDS TCS information. You can see we have come on to annual information statement. Once you click inside, now you go in the annual information statement. So here it is taxpayer tab, here it is annual information tab. What's the basic difference? When you come to taxpayer, it's all about simple. You have it is in a crisp format, in a very summarized format. But when you go inside, it automatically changes its tab to annual information statement. Now in annual information statement, it is kind of part B. It has 5 information. One is all about which people have deducted my TDS. As we already saw in 26 AS, we have TDS deducted on all the dividend entries. CAMS, Valiant, Punjab National Bank, whichever people have deducted my TDS. SFT information. Who informed income tax department via SFT? Right? All these people have informed. So this is SFT information. This is payment of taxes. If I have paid any taxes or if I have got any refund, it will come up here. Any demand if income tax department has with me, it will appear here, and any other information. So this is how it is very useful. What we will do is we will open up taxpayer information statement always summary first and just check whether it is matching with when I sit for income tax return filing. I will also have my own data. I will have dividend, interest, saving account, everything. So just match, just tick box everything. If it matches, it's fine. If it doesn't matches, then I need to know, oh, which is that mutual fund entry which I am missing, which is that dividend entry which I am missing. If it is if it is matching, great. If it is not matching, go in the detail and go to the annual information statement then, and then go and check what is that entry which I am missing, which income tax department knows about me but I don't know about myself.